The bicycle. Yeah, check my tires. I need some air. I got a bike pump that fits in the pocket, has a nice case, and easy to use and operate. So if you're looking for a bike pump to pump up your tires, you may be interested in what I have to show you. So let's check out this video of what you get inside the box, how to operate it, and what it's all about. GPUTEK 150 PSI emergency bike pump with light, not just for a bicycle, but for volleyball, soccer balls, and footballs. We're going to unbox this and show you what you get inside the box. You get the instruction guide, the case and pump, the valve stem about 5 inches, an adapter and valves for football, soccer, and so forth. A USB A to C charging cable, power bank cable. This is the pump, the size of a large hand. On top you have a light, your thread, USB-C cable, your vent, and a 5-position black on black lettering mouse. The light on and off, increase, decrease buttons, and PSI changes. Please remember to peel the sticker off, and you have a window indicator. When charging the unit, please plug in your USB-C, the A to a brick, and the light indicator will blink. When it stops blinking, it fully charges after a couple of hours. We're charging the unit via a power bank to show you the charging indicator. To operate the unit is to hold the on and off button and watch the 3 white indicators go to the on position. 1 1000, 2 1000, on. We are on PSI 38.0 to a bicycle with a full battery at 0.0. To change on the left-hand side will be to a bicycle in 100 PSI. And again will be a motorcycle at 2.7, and again a human profile at 100. And press again back to the beginning for recycling. The unit is defaulted at these settings. In order to change, just simply hit the increase button, 0.5, they increase as you can see, or simply hold it down and it'll go down pretty quickly on its own. In order to shut the unit off, simply press the button and hold it for a number of seconds till it says off, and off it goes. In order to use the light, the unit must be in the on position. Turn the unit on, give a short press, the light will shine. Press again, it gives an SOS, and press once again for the off position in the cycling modes. In order to operate the pump, it is a short press on the on button and short press to turn it off. The stem goes into the top with the male thread to the female thread of the unit. Simply thread the unit. Remember, this hose will get warm. The pump is going to get warm. This is a ventilation area and another ventilation area, and may be kind of noisy. This is made of aluminum. It is weather resistant. You have other types of attachments that you can add that's in the case. If you're pumping up a volleyball, a soccer ball, a football, or putting on the Italian stems. To store the small attachments, open up the case. On the back here, this is Velcro. Simply peel away. Place in your parts. Close up. You have 2 tabs that are going to open up wide. Unscrew the stem. Place in the pump. Put the stem into either one of the sides. Close the case and Velcro each of the sides down and close up. On the back of the unit, they got little balls that are rubber that will grip onto the bar, handlebar, seat, wherever you're going to put the pump to your frame. On the back of the unit, open up the Velcro for each one. Proceed to the bicycle. Depending on the bikes you have, the Velcro goes around in areas. By simply wrapping around the bar, and whenever you need to use your pump, you simply can slide down a little, open up the case, the sides that hold it in nice and tightly, squeeze the bottom a little, and pull out your pump. In this demonstration of the pump, we're going to place on by tightening down, turn the unit on, measuring the pressure of your tire at 2.0 bar. If you do not like to see the BAR, long press the button. It changes to PSI, and we now need to add 36.5 pounds by a short press. We are at 36.5. The unit automatically shuts down. It is a fast pump. We are going to let the air out and show you how fast this actually pumps up. We are with the tire deflated at 36.5, pump. If we need the light, we can press and shine. Automatically shuts down. We are finished. It took about a minute plus. The pump is nice and comfortable to touch. We do not lose air when we take it out. We close up, shut it off, unscrew, and pack away for another day. The pump is very easy to use and very quick to pump up the tire. It is a compact pump and lightweight for your bicycle. With Schrader and Dunlap accessories attachments, it can pump up a 27 1/4 700cc tire in 1 minute and 45 seconds, as seen here at 36.5 psi. It also could pump from 80 to 100 psi at a minute or less. Depending on the amount of pressures, it has different time varies. This is a pump that has everything that you need except a tire tube patch kit to inflate your tires when they go cold and out of air and you need air on the go and portable time to time. Mountain bike, trek bikes, stationary bikes, any bikes like a motorcycle, volleyball, basketball, soccer ball. This pump may be something that you are looking for your needs and accessories and on the go, lightweight for your bicycle. Doesn't weigh much, has powerful punch to pump up your tires multiple amounts of times. I hope you enjoy this pump if it's right for you.